Today, I'm sharing an easy and affordable DIY glow scrub that helps exfoliate dull skin, fade the appearance of dark spot, and reveal a fresh, radiant glow all from simple ingredients.
Start with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then, slice of lemon juice. Mix everything well until smooth. Your powerful exfoliating scrub is ready. This mask made with baking soda, coconut oil, and lemon works as an exfoliating and hydrating treatment. Baking soda helps remove dry skin, while coconut oil deeply nourish and soften the skin. Lemon as a natural astringent that help brighten and refresh the dull skin. But be careful, this mix can be strong, especially for sensitive skin. Use it gently and only occasionally to avoid irritation to your skin barrier. With proper use, it can help reveal smoother, fresher, and more radiant looking skin. Glow smart and take care of your skin.